Spring Basics, Spring Boot, and microservices. This is our course title, guys. Okay. Course, this one. Now listen, prerequisite. Core Java, oops. Understanding my statement. Okay. Spring Cloud and microservices. Core Java, oops. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super. Next, duration. I need 150 sessions. Actually, it is in between 140 to 150 sessions, guys. It's a quite lengthy course. Why I will tell. Next, timings. Okay, 7:30 p.m. to initial I start 7:40, but later it will be moved back to 7:30. 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. or 9:15 p.m. 1/2 based on the topic, boss. Yeah, today is the first class. Welcome to all. Right. Okay, weekly 6 to 7 classes. Okay, weekly you will get 6 to 7 classes. If needed, Sunday also I will call you for the classes. Right. Yeah, it's a lengthy course. Now listen. Right. 1 minute. These are my faculty details. These are my, yes, FB group name, guys. Name Natraj. FB group in Natraj Java Arena. This is the URL. Email ID natrajjavaarena@gmail.com. Admin details. His name is Mr. Srikanth and his phone number is this. Okay. WhatsApp. Yes. Try to communicate with him through WhatsApp, guys. Try to communicate with him WhatsApp. Okay. If in case of emergency, you can call him. That's not an issue. I'm sharing the details in the chat box. You can collect from the chat box. Okay, guys. Right. Now listen, guys. Earlier days, guys, we used to have 2 separate courses. Okay. Number 1, spring course, guys. Spring course. Okay. It needs 90 sessions time. And the fee is 3,500. Another course called Spring Boot and Microservices. It needs around 80 sessions. Okay, fee is around 4,000 rupees. Fee is around 4,000 rupees. Now, instead of spending these many hours of time, these many sessions for separate course called Spring and separate course called Spring Boot and Microservices, are you able to listen my voice, guys? Am I audible? Okay, guys. Now I designed one single course covering Spring course content and Spring Boot and microservice content. And that single course is nothing but Spring Boot, Spring Basics, guys. Right. Spring Boot will be taught and Spring Cloud will be taught, and microservices. Right. So there is no need of attending 2 courses. You just attend 1 course. You will get the content of both courses. You can save your money. You can save your time. Is that clear, guys? Come on. Next, when you take this course, guys, when you take this course, listen carefully. You will get a free AngularJS. Free Angular course, not AngularJS, Angular or React. You can choose anything. React.js. No, sir, I already know Angular and React. So you can even choose Hibernate with JPA. You can get one of these 3 courses free. Next, you can also get, okay, 15 plus real-time Java tools. Real-time Java tools like, okay, Maven, Gradle, Git, SVN, okay, Log4j, SLF4j, SLF4j, Jenkins, what is that? Jenkins, Docker, like this list will go on, boss. Are you getting my point, guys? List will go on. 15 plus tools, Java real-time tools you will get. Okay, free common topics, guys. 10 plus common topics. Okay, common topics. What kind of common topics? Resume preparation, interview tips, do's and don'ts, do's and don'ts after joining in the company. I think today morning only that session completed, right? It will be rotated, guys. They will be coming in rotation for multiple time. Sir, I have urgency. I want to attend this session immediately. Certain sessions will be there. Certain sessions will be there as recorded session. You can watch them whenever you want. I will give all the URLs. Do's and don'ts after joining in the software company. Next, Agile Scrum, guys. Agile Scrum. And etc. Jira and etc. Lot of common topics you will get, boss. Lot of common topics and free. Okay, 7 to 8 mini projects. 7 to 8 mini projects. Every 20 days, we'll be developing one or other mini project, guys. First, learn small topics. For them, develop small proof of concept examples and try to learn same thing in the form of mini project. So that same concepts will be studying in project angle with real-time scenarios and real-time use cases. Everyone getting my point, guys? Right. Next. Okay. Job guarantee program. What is that? Job guarantee program. Okay. Program. Job guarantee program by Naresh IT. Naresh IT. Okay. Clear. You need to clear screening test. You need to clear because we have to send to company means they expect minimum knowledge, right? So once you clear screening test conducted by Naresh IT, you will be ready for job guarantee program, guys. Placing you in the company is the responsibility of Naresh IT. Only the thing is you have to clear the screening test. Sir, I failed first time. Then what? You can try until how many times you want, you can try. But clear screening test and placing you in the company is the responsibility of what? Naresh IT. Is that clear? You need to clear screening test. Yeah, sir, screening test will be very tough. No. Whatever I teach in the classroom, whatever sessions I conduct in here, based on that content only, I only prepare the paper. Okay, based on that content only, screening test will be conducted. If you clear screening test, placing you in the company, okay, placing you in the company is the responsibility of Naresh IT. Right, but this is only for freshers, not for experienced people. Okay, not for experienced people, not for the people who are showing gap as experience, because we have to arrange documents and lot of hangama will be there for experienced people. This is only the people who are trying as a fresher. And don't think that we will be placing you only in small companies. No, we have 800 plus client organizations, software. We have tie up with 800 plus software companies, including Accenture, IBM. Okay, big companies are there. Sonata, big clients we are having. Okay, don't worry about that. So you need to clear screening test. Are you getting my point there, guys? Yes. Please ask a personalized question at the end of the session. Today, after answering last person's last question, I am going to wind up the session. Let it be 9:30, let it be 10 o'clock. So that's why please listen what I am presenting and try to put the question related to current discussion. Related to current discussion. Are you getting my point, guys? Super. Okay, guys. Course fee, guys. Course fee. 7,000 rupees. 7,000 rupees. Okay. 7,000 rupees. With what is that? React.js or Angular or Hibernate with JPA. Hibernate with JPA. Sorry, guys, I got updation from Naresh IT team. It is 8,000. It is 8,000. Okay, now listen. 5,000 without free topic. Without free topic. Now you may ask me how they have become free topic. React.js individual course fee is 5,000 to 6,000. Angular individual course fee is 5,000 to 6,000. Hibernate with the JPA individual course fees is 3,000 to 4,000. Are you listening my statement, guys? Come on. So that means you will get concession. You will get concession when you go for what? This particular combo payment. No, sir, I'm not looking for that Angular or React or what? Hibernate with the JPA. Then you can pay 5,000 and you can attend what? Spring course. I also named this course as Spring Stack course, guys. That means everything of Spring will be covered. I also named this course as Spring Stack course. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys, and you got the clarity about the fee structure. With free topics, 8,000. Okay, without free topics, it's a 5,000. Talk to admin people if you want to get a further clarity. Right. Completely online batch, boss. It's online batch. Completely online course. Online course. Though offline classes are started, but this batch will continue as online. This batch will continue as online. Maybe I may start new batches, next new batches. Next new batches, both offline and online batches, but this batch will be completely online class. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Now listen. Modules covered. Modules covered. Spring modules covered. Right. Spring core will be talked, guys. Spring JDBC, Spring AOP, Spring transaction management, Spring transaction management. Are you getting my point? Achha, one more thing. Okay. Hibernate with the JPA, which is a free topic. I will be conducting it. If it is React JS or Angular, Sudhakar Sarma sir will conduct. React JS, what is this? Angular. You can choose one of that. Angular by Sudhakar Sarma sir. Okay. Sudhakar Sarma sir. Arey, real-time tools, common topics are for every Java student who joined in Naresh IT. Real-time tools, common topics are mini projects, are part of what? Every Java student who are part of Naresh IT. If you just take, okay, both are not same course, guys, both are different. Okay. By Sudhakar Sarma sir. Right, guys. Is that clear, boss? Done. Okay. Spring core, Spring JDBC, Spring AOP, Spring transaction management. Okay. Next. Spring data JPA, Spring data MongoDB, MongoDB. What is this? Spring MVC. Spring MVC. Okay, guys. Next, Spring security. Spring OAuth. Spring batch. Spring REST. Okay, guys. What is that? Spring REST. Next, Spring Boot. Actuators, microservices. Understanding? Nowadays, no need of learning Spring ORM after arrival of Spring data JPA. Are you understanding my statement, guys? After learning Spring data JPA, there is no need of learning Spring ORM. Don't waste your time on Spring ORM. Is that clear? Spring Mail. Spring Mail. Okay. Spring Cloud. Spring Cloud and etc. So lot of topics are there. So detailed syllabus, how I'm uploading in front of you people. I'll share the URL also. I think I already uploaded. Let me refresh and show. There is a PDF document, my boss. There is a PDF document. Are you listening? Right. So detailed course content you can see here. Let me click on it. Yes. Detailed course content you can see here. Individual topics, lot of things are there. Introduction to frameworks, Spring basics, introduction to Spring Boot. Okay, building Spring Boot application, actuator concept, custom logging, Spring Boot profile concepts, auto configuration, theme lift, Spring Boot security, Spring Boot MVC, database, core concepts, REST annotation, JPA repository in microservices, microservice design considerations. So lot of things are there, guys. How to create captcha, Spring Social, Spring Cloud config, Netflix, lot of tools also we are going to discuss. Swagger, cloud hosting, n number of things are there. So this is the detailed syllabus copy, boss. Detailed syllabus copy. All right, guys. Now listen, I'm sharing this URL with you people. This is the place from where you can download the content. Right. Are you able to collect the URL, guys? Download course content from. Okay, download course content from this. So syllabus is used, guys. Okay, that's why I named this course as what? Spring Stack. Spring Stack. Right. This is copy is not working. Don't worry. You can just go to my group and you can collect the things. Mr. Admin, copy option is not working in the chat box. Please work out that. Fine. So it's this, my group is private group, guys. You have to become member of that group in order to see the content of the group. Okay, send request to my group to become members. After the class, I will approve the request. After the class, I will approve the request. Understanding my statement, guys? Right. Listen, guys, since so many modules are there, so much content is there, right from zero, I have to take you to 100%. As of now, these three modules I'm giving as a videos, recorded videos. Only these three modules. Remaining all modules will be discussed live in front of you people. Application development, concept explanation, okay, real-time use cases, real-time scenarios, challenging problems, linking them linking them with what is that, projects development, challenging problems and solution. Everything will be discussed live in front of you people. Understanding my statement, guys? If you want to become member of the group, this URL is there. Once again, I'm sharing that. Just use the URL, send the request. Don't become friend. Don't become friend. Just become member of the group. That's it. Just collect the information and try to become member of the group. Right. Okay, guys. Is that clear, guys? Now listen. Plus dynamic content, guys. Dynamic content. Okay. For example, reactive programming is doing well. In Spring, reactive programming is nothing but WebFlex. So like that, I will be talking about some dynamic content. Whatever trending concept is there, trending module is there, I don't mind adding that dynamic content. So otherwise, some multiple students demanded, sir, I need this knowledge. I don't mind adding those content to the course content. Is that clear? I strongly believe whatever content I am delivering, 99.99%, it is going to help you in the interview. It is going to help you in the survival of the job. But still, if you are looking for some dynamic content, okay, which is required in one certain specific companies, let me know. I will try to conduct few sessions on it also. See, I don't compromise in the quality, but you have to give me time. Why? Because right from what is framework to what is microservice, how to develop projects by using microservices, how to apply various design patterns using microservices, lot of things we have to learn. Literally, it is 0% to 100%. Literally, we are learning 2 courses. In fact, 3 courses as what? One single course. Literally 3 courses as what? One single course. If you give me time, I will give the quality content. Choose me as a faculty when you are ready to give quality time to me. Then I will give quality content. No compromise in the content. No, sir, I want your content. I don't have time to give. I have a bumper offer to you people. Okay, right. Morning already one batch is started. For them right now, Spring Boot MVC is going on. After that, Spring REST, microservices, and lot of cloud concepts also will be discussed. Is that clear, guys? Okay. Here, evening you attend introductory classes from the beginning. Okay, after certain days, I will call you for morning sessions. After certain days, I will call you for morning session. Evening you attend some topics and morning you take some topics. Definitely 30 to 40% timings time can be saved. Morning batch time is running batch. Spring 7 a.m. Running batch time is 7 a.m. 7 a.m. to 8:30 or 8:40 a.m. Now listen, not compulsory everyone should come. Evening batch also, everything will happen. First topic to last topic. Every topic takes place in the evening batch also. Those are having time constraint. Those are looking for my content, but they cannot give multiple days. So for them, I am giving this option. Is that clear, guys? A to Z of this course will be discussed in 7:30 p.m. slot only. No, sir, I have time constraint. A to M, you learn in the evening slot. M to Z, I mean to say N to Z, you try to learn in the morning slot parallelly. Sir, when should I come? Okay, when should I come? You can come when I invite you. Maybe after 10-15 days, once you got the basics of Spring, I will invite you to come to morning class. Okay, then you can come and collect. Then you can come and collect the classes parallelly. Okay, now listen. Okay, notes, materials. Notes and materials. Okay, next, old batch PDFs will be shared. Old batch PDFs will be shared. Don't conclude. Still lot of things are there. Old batch. Okay. Workspaces will be shared. Will be shared. Okay. Your batch running notes or material using Facebook group, Google Classroom, Google Classroom, and classroom applications. Your batch classroom applications, mini projects, okay, mini projects will be shared using, what is that? Git or GitHub. Is that clear, guys? Recorded sessions using Naresh IT YouTube channel, boss. What is that? Naresh IT YouTube channel. youtube.com/Naresh IT. This is our Naresh IT YouTube channel. From there you can collect it. Is that clear, my dears? Fine. Now listen. Okay. Recorded sessions code is nothing but I am sharing classroom applications and mini projects will be shared using Git and GitHub. Okay. Old batches workspaces will be shared. In old batches workspace, definitely recorded sessions code also will be there. Are you getting my point there, guys? Recorded sessions means definitely video sessions. Whatever class I conduct, that will be video recorded and those sessions will be given. Right, guys. Is that clear, boss? Okay. As I said, only these 3 module videos will be given as recorded videos. Remaining all modules, you need not to have account in Git or GitHub. If I have account, you can collect the content. Not a problem. Not a problem. You should have just a Facebook account. If you have a Facebook account, you can become member of my Facebook group. From there, you can collect the content. Next. Okay, guys. Next, who needs this course? Who needs this course? Okay. Who needs this course? Right. Fresher needs this course. What topics this fresher needs? Spring Basics and Spring Boot. Spring Basics and Spring Boot. Mandatory for fresher, guys. Next. And other advanced topics. Other advanced topics are optional but recommended to show them as added advantage. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay, guys. Spring Basic, Spring Boot is mandatory. Other advanced topics like Spring Cloud, microservices, a lot of other advanced topics, okay, are optional, but recommended to show them as added advantage. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. So 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus, okay, 5 plus. Whatever knowledge I am giving in the classroom, boss, whatever knowledge I am giving in the classroom, with that knowledge, you can show up to 4 to 5 years gap as experience. That much knowledge I am going to give. Are you listening my statement, boss? Understanding my statement here, boss? Okay. So they need complete course content, boss. Complete course. They need complete Spring Stack course. Okay. Are you listening my statement, guys? Okay. Now listen. Daily you spend 1.5 hours for practice. That is enough. Follow me completely. Hand over your brain and body to me completely. Results will be positive. I keep on saying in every batch. Okay. Believe yourself. Believe me. Believe Java. Believe Spring. Believe software industry. Results are always positive. Are you getting my point, guys? All right. Sir, fresher. Package, boss. Package for fresher. Package for fresher. After attending this course, when you have this course knowledge. So generally package for fresher will be 3 lakh, boss. But after attending this course, after learning this course, the package may go up to 4 to 6 lakhs. That's the power of this course. Is that clear? Understanding my point, guys? Okay. Package for 1 plus 2 plus candidates. Okay. It will be around 5 to 7 lakhs, guys. Okay, guys. 5 to 7 lakhs. Right. Next, package for 3 plus and 4 plus candidates. Okay. Easily you will get 6 to 10 lakhs. I think it may be, that depends upon what is the current company package also, boss. Not only subject knowledge, sometimes what is the current company profile and what is the package you are showing, right? Okay, right. Package for 5 plus. It may touch nearly 8 to 15 lakhs. Okay. Right now, one record is there with my old students, guys. And what is that record, you know? Okay. 3 years of experience, 3 plus years of experience. Okay. And just completing what? Spring Boot microservice course and shown 3 years, 3 plus years of experience, got the package of 16 lakhs. Got the package of what? 16 lakhs. How it is possible? She played some mind game with the companies and interview. Her initial offer letter is 8 lakhs only. Her initial, no, not, she is not even full stack developer. She is not even full stack developer. Is that clear? Okay. She played bit game with companies and interviewers. Her initial package is what? 8 lakhs or 7 lakhs. She has shown that offer letter and demanded another company to release another offer letter with a hike in the salary. Another company released with 10 lakhs. Again, she has taken that offer letter. Come on, guys. And played game with one more company because now market is booming like anything, boss. If we keep Spring Boot and microservice in the resume, per day, if we get to 7-8 calls also, you need not to surprise. Those men, sometimes you will ignore some calls because you don't have time to answer them. You don't have time to give interview for every company. That is the power of what? Spring Boot and microservice. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. So later she got how much offer letter? 10 lakh offer letter. By showing that she got one more offer of 13 lakhs. By showing that lastly she got another offer of 16 lakhs. And original CTC, what, how much she kept, you know, 4.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs. 4.5 or 5 lakhs CTC she kept. Initially got 8 lakhs, then 10, then 13, then 16. Like this, she played a game and she succeeded in that game. Before this one, the track record was 14.5 lakhs only. But now she has set a new benchmark of what? 16 lakhs. You can also do that. When, if you have a proper subject, if you have a proper subject, proper command on the subject, everything is possible in Java domain, guys. Money will flow like anything. Offers will flow like anything. especially in the lockdown. Recession may be there, problems may be there in other sector, but for Java developers, no problem. So many companies, so many people change it to so many companies with big packages. Some people even got 100% hike also. Some people even got 150% hike and 200% hike also. Are you listening my statement, guys? Right. Okay. Sir, what is your suggestion? First, try as a fresher. If it is not working out, try to show gap as experience. Sir, you are having allergy about aptitude and reasoning. Okay, then directly try as experienced person. You are 2018 passed out, 19 passed out, 20 passed out. Okay, you don't want to try as a fresher because less calls are there. Try to show gap as experience. In your academics, percentages are very less. In your academics, percentages are very less. Okay, try to show gap as experience. In your academics, lot of academic gaps are there. After +2, 2 years gap. After graduation and before post-graduation, 3 years gap. Come on. 3 years gap. Are you listening my statement, guys? Okay, then also you try to show gap as experience. Your academic percentages are very less. Somewhere in 10th standard, you got 49%. Okay, don't worry. Try to show gap as experience. Understanding my statement? Right. And moreover, don't worry about your English. Don't worry about your presentation skills. If you can speak technical terms, automatically job will come. So try to improve your Java knowledge. That automatically improves your what? English, and automatically improves your presentation skills. If you are confident technically, automatically words will come in English. Speaking common English is very difficult, but speaking Java related English is always easy. Sir, how to show gap as experience? There are some consultants, there are some organizations who provide fake documents, fake relieving letter, fake ID card, fake Form 16, fake offer letter, everything they will provide by charging some money. And anyhow, subject I will take care. Interviews, how to prepare for interview, I will take care. Everything else I will take care, subject wise, technicality wise. Documents, consultant will take care. Happily, you can show gap as experience. Not at all a problem. It's possible if you think. It's not possible if you think I cannot. Understanding my point? Yes. I think everyone got the clarity on this point, boss. Right. Now, listen. Do I need to learn? Do I need to learn? Okay, XML and web services separately. Course separately. Do I need to learn XML and web service course separately? Understanding my statement, guys? Answer, no. Not required. Not required. Because Spring REST, okay, is there as web service implementation. Spring REST is there as web service implementation. Sir, Spring REST will talk about only RESTful web service now. What about SOAP-based web service? Nowadays, no one is using SOAP-based web service. That is outdated. That is outdated. Are you getting my point? Sir, I will miss XML knowledge now, sir. The entire industry is moving towards annotations and Spring Boot mechanism, boss. No need of spending exclusive time on XML. You have to learn web services, and Spring REST is nothing but web service. So that's why there is no need of learning web services separately. Are you getting my point, guys? Do I need to learn? Do I need to learn? Okay. Advanced Java course. Do I need to learn advanced Java course? The course that deals with Servlet JSP. Okay. Yes, required. Yes, required. Okay. Yes, required. You should have Servlet JSP knowledge before I start Spring MVC topic here. Are you understanding my point? Yes. Okay, you should have Servlet JSP knowledge before I start Spring MVC topic here. Is that clear, boss? Next. Do I need to learn Hibernate with JPA course here? Okay. Do I need to learn? Okay, Hibernate with JPA course. Answer. We can manage without that course. But learning is added advantage. Learning is added advantage. Learning is added advantage. Okay. Right. Spring Data JPA. Spring Data JPA internally uses Hibernate. Internally uses Hibernate. So, learning Hibernate makes Spring Data JPA module learning process quite easy. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Sir, advanced Java is prerequisite to learn this course? No. Before I start MVC, Spring MVC, which is a modular topic of this course, you should get the knowledge of. Okay, Servlet and JSP. Basics of Servlet, JSP or JSP. Anyhow, it takes time, guys. It takes time. Minimum 50-60 session time it takes before I start that MVC module. You should get Servlet basics. If not JSP, at least you should get Servlet basics. Okay, now listen. What else I should learn? What else I should learn to become full stack developer? To become Java full stack developer. Java full stack developer. Okay, after this course. After this course. I think all these are your FAQs now, boss. Are you benefiting with my questionings? Are you benefiting with my question FAQs? Right, guys. Now listen. To become good in UI technology, boss. Anyhow, you need Spring Stack course. Anyhow, you need Spring Stack course. That is nothing but current course. Okay. Plus Angular or React.js. Okay, this is for what? UI technologies. As UI technology, it is required. Next, next one you should have knowledge of Oracle database, guys. Oracle database software as database concept. You should have knowledge on Selenium for testing purpose, guys. Yeah, jQuery is now outdated. No one is using it. Okay. You should have good knowledge of DevOps for deployment. What is that? For deployment purpose. Are you getting my point there? Next, you should have knowledge of AWS, or you should have knowledge of what? AWS or, okay, array, okay, AWS or Azure, Windows Azure, or Google Cloud. Google Cloud. Google Cloud. But I recommend what? AWS. I recommend AWS a lot. Array, sir, PCF is there na, Pivotal Cloud Factory. Array, that is outdated nowadays. So you prefer working with AWS, Amazon Web Services, which is a cloud platform. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Anyhow, this is current course. And if you learn all these things, then you will be called as Java full stack developer. Java full stack developer. Are you getting my point? Yes. Okay. Plus a complementary course kind of thing, design patterns. Java design patterns. Yes, guys. Are you listening my statement, guys? If you learn all this thing, you will be called as Java full stack developer. Okay. Sir, Java full stack developer package is what? Java full stack developer package for 3+, 4+, 5+ experienced people. Okay. You don't believe 20 to 25 lakhs. Array, you are an all-rounder developer, Babu. Definitely package will be good. Definitely package will be good. 20 to 25 lakhs. Sometimes it's just double of what? Spring stack course. But thing is, overnight you cannot become full stack developer. Is that clear? It needs time. It needs maturity. It needs some, you need to spend time in the project. So that's why first try to become Java developer by learning this current course. Are you understanding my statement? Okay, guys. First try to learn, try to become Java developer and keep the target of 3 years. After joining in the company as a Java developer, keep the target of 3 years and try to learn all of them or some of them and try to become Java full stack developer. What, guys? Java full stack developer. Sir, I don't want to become Java full stack developer. After joining in the company forces you to become full stack developer. Once in a while, they will give work on DevOps. Once in a while, they will give work on what? Selenium. Once in a while, they will give work on what? AWS. So automatically, you will be forced to learn. Since you are forced to learn, automatically, you will become full stack developer. Is that clear, guys? Right now, market is having 50% market is using Angular, 50% market is using React. Okay, sir, you want to choose one thing, I suggest you to choose React only. If you want me to choose one thing, I will suggest you to choose React only. I hope, is this clear? I think you got the idea what do you mean by full stack developer. Okay, simple thing, boss. Java developer is like batsman. Java developer is like batsman. UI developer is like bowler. Okay, tester is like only fielder. Tester is like what? Only fielder. Okay, full stack developer means what? All rounder. Like Ravindra Jadeja, like MS Dhoni. Like MS Dhoni. Are you getting my point? Hardik Pandya, but nowadays he is not behaving like a full stack developer. Hardik Pandya nowadays is not behaving like a full stack developer. He is behaving like a Java developer only. Right. I think you got crystal clear clarity, boss. Crystal clear clarity. Okay. This is my first framework. This is my first framework. Is there any problem? Is there any problem? Is there any problem? Answer, no problem. No problem. We will learn from 0%. Right from what is framework. Right from what is framework. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Right from we will learn what is framework. Right. Next. Can I learn advanced Java course, framework course parallelly? Framework course parallel. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Next. My core Java is just started. My core Java is just started. Okay, can I sit in this course? In this course. Okay, guys. Answer, no. Core Java OOPS is the minimum prerequisite, guys. Without core Java OOPS knowledge, don't come for this course. I don't know Java at all. Don't come for this course. It is the advanced topic of what? It's the most advanced topic of Java domain, boss. You should have a proper prerequisites. You should have a proper prerequisites. Is that clear, guys? Okay. I think you got all clarity, boss. Each and every point is clear. Okay. Now, before we start our journey, let me clear few things, boss. Number one, be regular, be punctual, do practicals every day. Be regular, be punctual, be practicals every day. Do practicals every day. Are you listening? Remaining everything else, you leave it to me. I will take care. How to learn the subject, how to inject the subject into brain, how to do coding, how to use Google while doing coding, how to integrate technologies, how to prepare for interviews, how to put resume in the profile, Naukari, or in some other job portal website. Okay, how mini projects development involving design patterns in project development. Everything else I will take care. Your work is coming to classes regularly, listening carefully, practicing every day. Be regular, be punctual, do practicals every day. This is your slogan. Remaining everything else, you leave it to me. Okay, leave it to me. No, believe me, the results will be very bright. Results will be very, very interesting. Okay, guys. Next. You have access to chat box. I will answer all your questions. But whenever you get a doubt in your mind, I request you to wait for 5 to 10 minutes before putting that question in the chat box. Because I believe most of your doubts will be clarified in next 5 to 10 minutes discussion. I kept side heading. You started asking, what is that? Where is that? Stop doing that kind of behavior. I will answer every question. Number 3, you asked one question, I ignored. Again, you asked a question, again I ignored. That means that question is not related to current topic. If I answer that question, flow of the classroom will be disturbed. So that's why I'm ignoring that question. So stop asking such questions again and again, but write down in a paper at the end of the session, 10 to 15 minutes I'll spend to clarify the doubts. There you raise the question, I will definitely address it. There you raise the question, definitely I will address it. Is that clear? Right. Number 3, I have seen so many people, they attend classes, they write notes, they write fair copy, rough copy, so many hangama. They record voice, they listen audio, but they never do practicals. It's not going to work out. Practice is equally important along with the listening class. If you are a working professional, maybe listening is going to work out. But if you are not a working professional, if you are a job seeker, especially by showing gap as experience, you are looking for job, definitely practice is also required. I'll take one small example to make you to understand this. To make you to understand this, you decided to become dancer. The moment you got that thought, you subscribed to 4 or 5 dancing tutorial video channels in YouTube. You purchased books, how to dance in 30 days. And you started watching a lot of dance competition shows like Jalak Diklaja, D Show in the Telugu, Super Dancer, so many shows are there. Okay, but you are not moving your leg on the dance floor. You are not moving your leg in the dance floor. Do you think you will become dancer? Do you really think you will become dancer? No. You never become dancer. Similarly, you are listening class, okay, and taking notes, making fair copy, arranging superbly, but using 2-3 colors pens, or we are presenting your notes greatly, but you are not responding to assignments, you are not completing practicals. Do you really think you will become software engineer? No. So that's why practice is equally important. Next, don't waste your money purchasing books. There is no single book covering our course content. If there also, that is not going to satisfy our teaching style. Okay, out of my experience, out of my analyzation, out of my what practices, okay, I prepared this course content, I prepared examples of this course content, scenarios and use cases of this course. Okay, just follow classroom notes, just follow classroom application, just follow classroom assign. They are more than sufficient. Just now I said one girl got 3 lakhs package by showing solid cinematic gap as experience. You don't believe, first she tried for IAS, somehow she got failure. Then she tried for group 1 jobs, somehow she got failure there. Then she tried for bank exams, somehow she got failure there. In that process, 3 years gap has come. So trusted software industry, spend 8 months time to learn all the courses, right from core Java to microservices, core Java to Spring microservices. 6 to 8 to 9 months is spent solidly with a dedicated hard work of 15 hours per day. 15 hours per day. Are you getting my point? And the result is 16 lakhs package. Don't worry, in the middle of the course, I will make you people to speak with a lot of old students who succeeded. They will come and speak. They will share their success journey. They will share their industry journey with you people. So definitely you will be benefited. Right. Now, from my side, session is over, but I'm not winding up the session. Now onwards, next 10 to 15 minutes, if needed more minutes, I will answer each and every student question. But don't repeat the question. Don't paste the question. One by one, I will answer. Okay, I will take the name and I will answer. Rafid Siddiq. Sir, I joined in a small scale company. Work is in Flutter. This is my decision, better or not. Flutter is not a bad tool, but problem is tools won't survive for a long time. Can I learn placement course, advanced Java and Spring? Placement course means I didn't get you, boss. Every course is placement course. How to show gap between graduation completion year and first job as fresher with experience. Listen, guys, with experience. If you are trying as a fresher, they don't bother about gaps. They just ask what did you do in this gap. You can say I learned courses. I learned courses. You can say like that. Please share group name. Group name is Natras Java Arena, and this is the URL. It's a private group, guys, and you have to become member of the group. It's a private group and you have to become member of the group. Okay, if possible, try to put your question short and sweet so that I can answer everyone's question. I can read fastly, I can answer. Yeah, Mr. Shrestha. Sir, sorry to interrupt in between. I am having 2.9 of experience. Want to switch, not having much idea about Spring Framework and Boot. Do I need to join this course as an experience holder? Definitely. You want good package, good money, good job, definitely Spring is required. Okay. I'm from full stack Java batch. We completed OOPS concept. I'm interested in Spring Stack. If I joined Spring Stack, how much I need to pay? I called WhatsApp Srinivas, but no response. Okay, I think this is a separate course, not part of your full stack program, boss. It's a separate individual Spring Stack course. And like others, you have to pay, or your admin may give discount. Talk to admin. When I will start new advanced Java batch, 11 o'clock slot after 20 sessions, after 20 days. Hi, sir, which IDE will be using? I will be using Eclipse, boss. Eclipse with the STS plugin. Sir, in 5,000, I will be learning Spring Boot. Or in 5,000, you will be learning Spring Boot, microservices, Spring Cloud, everything end to end of Spring, boss. I'm your old student, sir. Now I need only Spring Boot and microservice and Angular. Or Spring Basics, I don't teach for multiple days. It's a you may treat them as a brush up kind of thing. You may treat them as a brush up kind of thing, Mr. Mahesh. What is the minimum hardware configuration required? 8 GB RAM and i7 processor, i5 to i7 processor. Okay, guys. Each practical application I will share. Don't worry. Each project I will share, each application I will share. 2017, Suresh, 17 passed out. This is possible to me to place by Naresh IT for 3 years, guy, Angular, React, Masna. Listen, guys, Suresh, it is for Naresh IT is giving job guarantee program only for fresher without any year criteria. Without any year criteria, you try there. If Naresh IT says we cannot place you because you are 2017 passed out, don't worry. Believe your knowledge, believe what I am giving to you. Try to show gap as experience. Ishwanathan, I have experience with Java 1.4 years. Any bridge course is there. Okay, this is bridge course kind of thing, boss. What happened if any day there is a network issue and I missed the class? You can contact the admin to get the required content. Are you providing recorded sessions only? No, sir. It's a live session and everyone should attend live classes. Job guarantee program by Naresh IT. Yes. We already in Spring course, how much money we need to pay for Spring Boot and microservices. I think Mr. Subhaya Pati, I think your admin can answer that. Mohan, good evening. I am having close to 115 years of experience in IT industry. Worked for 12 years for automation testing, 2.5 years in DevOps platform. Now I'm forced to move to development environment and continue it. I have to take care of back-end development now. I need your guidance and help to proceed my journey in IT industry. That means they are making you to become full stack developer, but you cannot become developer overnight in Java, boss. You have to spend time. Then definitely you can become Java developer. But once you become full stack developer, your package will be good and your profile become very strong. Don't lose that opportunity, though initially some headaches will be there. Ravinarayan Shahu, I already completed Spring and Spring Boot in previous 6 p.m. batch. I want to continue. Here more depth Spring Boot will be discussed. Okay. And along with the microservices and other modules, guys. There are 2 entries to join Spring course like Advanced Java. Yes, Prashanti there. When I start Spring Boot also people can join. When I start microservice also people can join. If I join course, then I can participate in an NIT campus drive. Yes, definitely you can participate. This course will be helpful in Android. Spring Stack is not nowhere related to mobile application development. It is only purely for web application and distributed application development. Rahul Srivastava, I joined Core Java by Arkrishna sir. How can I join your course, sir? I know about OOPS. Or you have to request Arkrishna sir for any other slot if you want to join in this course. Why did you suggest React over Angular, sir? What is the advantage of React over Angular? Reactive programming is the specialty of React, that easiness. What is the currently going on in morning batch? They are learning Spring Boot MVC, boss. What is the course duration? Vandana, 150 sessions, 140 to 150 session. I think we have to be ready for nearly 4.5 months. Can I pay installment? Talk to admin for commercials. Are you going to teach design pattern in this course? I will involve design patterns definitely in this course, no doubt in that. When start new batch of Advanced Java, 11 a.m. after 20 sessions. Srinivasa Ponnam, after the class, I will accept your request. Durgesh Patil, I'm working in a company. Sometimes office times are extended beyond 8 p.m. In this case, will I get recorded session for the day? Contact admin, he will provide the content. Akshay Boar, I'm 6 p.m. student of HKSR. Please you discuss with HKSR. We are eligible for this course or not. Current topic is non-static member. So please answer. You are not eligible, boss. You should know what is class, what is object, what is method, what is inheritance kind of thing. I'm a manual tester looking to start career as a developer. Can I sit in the screening test organized by Naresh IT? Manoj, if you want to try as a fresher, you can sit, not a problem. JUnit is part of our tools. 15 plus tools are there. Na? JUnit, HTTP unit, so many tools are there. Please look at detailed course content before you come to one conclusion. Please don't repeat the question, please. What are the module completed in 7 a.m.? In 7 a.m., Spring Basic, Spring Boot, Spring Data JPS, Spring MongoDB, these modules are completed. And right now, Spring Boot MVC is going on. Yes, Webflux will be discussed in the 7 a.m. batch. Angular time will be different time, guys. You have to attend parallel class. Can I get notes from Naresh IT? Yes. Timing of this batch will be 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, guys. Wasim Akhtar, I have other sessions also to conduct. Why don't you come for 2 slots, 7 a.m. and 7:30 p.m. Getting time class, 8 p.m. time slot. Talk to other faculty. This time cannot be changed. Can I learn Job Guarantee Program, Advanced Java and Spring parallelly? Definitely. Now I'm doing MCA from IGNO. Will consider as a fresher after MCA. Distance education after graduation, you can, because it's still not completed, now you cannot. After completing MCA, they will treat you as a fresher of MCA. Please don't repeat the questions, guys. Yeah, forever it will be 7:30 p.m. only. Fee of Spring Stack course, okay, 5,000, only 5,000. But if you are looking for Hibernate with JPA, 8,000, guys. Okay, guys. Rahul, I mean, recorded videos of mine, my recorded videos only will be given. Mudusar, working with jQuery and Servlet is not a bad idea, but if you are looking for good career, better to change. I have took Hibernate course, but I learned last class off due to COVID. Can I join? Yes, you can join, no problem. When Hibernate with JPA will start after 30 sessions in the morning 9 o'clock slot or in some other slot. What is the duration of the course? Vandana, 140 to 150 session. Please don't repeat the question. Can I get the job in the last year of my BTech? Last year of BTech means you write the screening test, Naresh IT will support you. Since after how many days Spring MVC going to start in the morning batch? Already started in the morning batch, guys. Morning batch, it started after, you have a time to learn Servlet JSP, don't worry. Dhanunjay, I got an offer letter to interview, completed aptitude test, fresher things, domain, not Java. Testing profile, what can I do? See, boss, if you are looking immediate job, join. But if you can wait for the Java domain. Because in testing, career growth is very slow. Okay, batch timing will be same throughout the course. It will not be changed. When next spring batch will come, only spring batch will not be there. It will be Spring Basic, Spring Boot, microservices and cloud. Okay, it takes time. Another 2-3 months it will take time. Most of the questions are repeated, boss. I'm finding most of the questions are repeated. Please don't repeat the questions. Angular, React, Hibernate with the JPA. Any one thing you can take it as this one. 2013, is there any chance? Prakash Kumar, chance is there. How I will tell? Total 7 years gap you have. What you can do is, first 3 years you show as a non-IT experience. Maybe college experience, teaching experience, or some other non-IT sector job experience. Last 4 years you show in IT sector, possible. Can we learn Spring Boot with web services? When I'm teaching Spring REST, there is no need of learning web services separately. Hello, sir. I got opportunity for full stack developer in one company. I put a 4 experience, but I have basic knowledge of Java. Can I sustain in the company? Monica, very difficult to sustain if they are expecting full stack knowledge. Kishan Kumar Behra. Before 6 months, I joined in Accenture as a fresher with 4.5 package, got SAP project. After exploring SAP world, I got to know that we can implement Java and Spring Boot. In SAP BTP developing business application, can I go for SAP full stack with Java Spring? Is it going to help me in future? Okay, what is the future of SAP? SAP is doing well, guys. SAP is doing well. You can become good programmer of SAP also, right? But career growth is bit slow, guys. Very less companies are using SAP. Mr. Dark Shadow, as your name says, timings remains same throughout the course. Manishing, definitely to practice either laptop or what, desktop is required. Johan will try to introduce IntelliJ, but IntelliJ is commercial, boss. Most of the companies are not preferring to use. Maybe for 1-2 cases I may use, guys. I want to finish course quickly. When can I join morning class as well? Once you got the prerequisite, I will inform Mr. Ashish Singh. I'm very weak in aptitude reasoning. How to crack first round? Don't try as a fresher. Try to show gap as experience. No option. His data structure will be there in this batch. This is not data structure batch, boss. Data structure batch is separate one. I'm confused about time. Please tell me the timing. 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. I have problems in writing logic. Will I continue with the Spring Boot? I don't think it will continue. Minimum laptop requirement, 8 GB i5 to i7 processor. Hard disk of your choice size. Will you help in this getting experience certificate? Those who are looking for consultant offering fake documents, mail me personally, I will help you. Microservices are useful in Android, definitely useful in Android environment also. Next batch date for Spring, it takes time, 2 months time it will take. I think most of the questions I am feeling you are repeating. How can I join morning 7 a.m. batch? And one day I will share the link. Those who are interested, they can come and join. I'll share the link. They are interested, they can come and join. Sanjay, if you are having 5 years experience, this is going to help you like anything. This is going to help you like anything. Okay, guys. Ashwini Yadav, if you want React or Angular, you have to pay 8,000. If you are looking only Spring Stack course, 5,000. Ravi Kumar, I'm already working in one company. My package is 1.8 as fresher. Bond of 3 years. Package is very low, boss, and bond is very high. Okay, bond is very high, but since bond is there, you don't want to take risk. Try to gain the knowledge. After 3 years, we aim the big package. Which Java version will be used in this course? Java 11. Java 11 will be used, boss. Any hibernate batch in the evening, I will plan and I will let you know. Mr. Anil. Hemant, I had a big gap after completing my MCA 2010. Will I get job without fake experience? Not possible, guys. Not possible. Very rare companies likes your profile without showing gap as experience. I have to continue advanced Java. Now I can take parallelly advanced Java Spring Hibernate. Yes, you can take. Yes, you can take. But Hibernate Advanced are the small courses. Spring is more course, big course, and try to put more efforts in Spring. I'm working 9 to 6 p.m. Time issues will come when you start morning session. Vinith Yadav, you need not to come for morning session compulsory. Everything will be taught in the evening itself. Manish Singh, 8 GB RAM, i5 to i7 processor is sufficient. Will you provide initial videos? Yeah, initial 5-6 videos will be provided for latecomers. Don't worry. Abhishek Kumar, it is Abhishek Kumar. It is Spring Basic, Spring Boot, microservices badge. Definitely there is a lot of updations. Definitely there will be a lot of updations. Abhishek Gute, okay, Django is having a lot of security issues. Okay, it cannot fight with the Spring. You go and speak with any subject expert, they will tell. Python is not competitor to Java or Spring, boss. I'm BSc 2021 batch, 1 year gap after 12. Manish Batri, you may get problems as a fresher, but better to try as an experience. But there are some companies who don't bother much about that kind of profile. Try to clear Naresh IT job guarantee program. Naresh IT will be placing you. Okay, guys. Ramakrishna, if you attend morning and evening classes parallelly, the duration may come to 90 sessions. Why you are providing 3 recorded videos instead of live classes? 3 modules are actually not part of syllabus. And moreover, we are learning more advanced modules than those modules. That's the reason I am providing recorded sessions. Okay. Murali Sharma. And If I start teaching those 3 modules also, it may touch 200 days also to reduce the course duration, and we are learning better alternate modules also. Okay. Guys, I'm feeling all. Murali Krishna, please stop repeating the questions. You only occupying everything. Varsasi, I have 6 years of experience in MNC. I took break more than 2 years. Will I get the job? No problem, boss. You can show that one as a experience. Abhishek Gute, better to learn Java 8 features. Remaining features I will cover. Anyhow, whenever I'm using Java 8, Java 9, Java 10, 11 feature, I'll introduce and I will use. Varsasi, do I need to show gap as experience? Yes, definitely you have to show that gap also experience, because your break also should be shown. Right. What are the other courses that I am teaching? I teach Ivernet with JPA, Servlet JSP and JDBC, and design patterns. Durga Prasad, any Java course you take, maybe Core Java, Advanced Java, maybe Spring, in that course, one job screening test will be conducted. If you clear that screening test, placing you in the company is the responsibility of Naresh IT. Okay, guys. Will we learn to add payment gateway in our website through this course? Definitely such kind of use cases will be there. Okay. Saraswati Das, 4-5 months break, gap expectable in professional career. 4-5 months break means as a girl, you can tell one or other learning process, upgradation process, family support process, anything you can tell. That's not a problem. 4 or 5 months gap. Yes, you can manage that, but my suggestion is try to learn along with the job. That is my suggestion. Aswini Yadav, Angular or React free in Spring course, are paying more extra money for React. As I said, if with React 8,000, without React 5,000. Okay. I hope. Can I add these mini projects in the resume? Yes, but better to add some other projects also. Right. I hope I answered all your questions. Okay. Once again, I am sharing my details and my group details. Okay. My details and my group details, guys. Yeah, some settings disturbed. It seems tomorrow onward copy option also will work. Don't worry. Right. Suresh, you have 4 years gap, but you want to show 2 years experience. Possible, but after learning course, you only feel to show 4 years experience. Okay, guys. Abhishek, repeat your question. I will take your question. I want to join without Angular, React, Hibernate, but other free things will be there or not. If tools and common topics are part of every Java course, will be there, madam. Okay. 49% in SSC. I am BSc. What to do? What to do? Try to show gap as experience or try to clear screening test of Naresh IT. New batch for design pattern takes time. We have to plan and execute. Okay. Vinayak Bansal, try to learn Spring. Try to learn Spring Stack. Then you will become complete Java programmer. Then target full stack developer. Then target full stack developer. Chandu Sai, 19 passed out, non-IT, but wants to try as fresher. Will they accept? Try to clear Naresh IT screening test. They will push you in the company. Abhishek, I have work experience in JTW support project, wherein I don't have hands-off experience, but I have basic knowledge about Spring. Recently got selected in 3 companies, but bit fearful. I'm good at core Java and logic. Okay, Abhishek, try to learn this course parallelly. Let's see what happens. Because no problem if you, since you cleared interviews, by learning this course parallelly, you can survive in the company also. Right. Banan sir, where will be gets doubts clarify after class, during class? During class, I will reply in the chat box. After class, I will be talking like this. Okay, you can post your doubts in the group. My Natras Java Arena group is there na. Okay, there I will reply and other students also will reply. Sai Teja, working on a project, boot Angular JS, fresher, 5 months ago, product-based company. Bond, should I wait 3 years after attending your course or should I jump after 6 months? If you can jump after 6 months by breaking bond, fine and good. There's no need of blocking yourself for 3 years after gaining this much knowledge. Right now, I have a baby of 4 months. Can I say taking care of? Yes, you can say, madam. You can definitely say, madam. Sayog Andale, 2019 BCA and MCA. Going on Spring Hibernate completed. Please try me as a fresher or experienced. 2019. First try as a fresher. If it is not working out, go for experience. Vinayak Bansal, just now I said, Natras Java Arena is the group where you can post your question and all people, including me, will give the replies. Adinarayana, 3 years gap Hibernate required to learn or not? If you learn, added advantage, no doubt in that. Thank you guys. Have a nice time. We'll meet tomorrow. If I miss anyone's question, don't hesitate to send questions to my email ID or don't hesitate to post your questions in the group. Don't hesitate to post your questions in the group. Right. Johan, no need of taking running notes, no need of dictating notes. Everyday paintbrush content and other classroom applications will be shared digitally through Google Classroom or Facebook. You can collect that content and you can arrange series wise. There is no need of. Okay. Thank you guys. Have a nice time. Yeah, Laksha, we are going to see both securities. Don't worry. We are going to see both securities.